How to afford to pay or go Dutch. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic. But before we reveal it to you, let me tell you a story. जब I finally started my career in Mumbai, I was elated because एक prime time show पे role मिलने का मतलब था that I was finally paying my own bills in Mumbai. I felt settled. आपको तो पता है ना वो feeling. But before this happened, I stopped going out for some time with some of my friends. Not because of any other problem, but because I couldn't tell them that I wanted to pay for what I had at the restaurant, that's going Dutch, and not pay for everyone else too. अब इंडिया में डच की डेफिनेशन है सबने खाया पिया बिल सब लोगों में इक्वली डिवाइड किया बट द रियल मीनिंग ऑफ गोइंग डच इज यू पे फॉर ओनली योर शेयर ऑफ द मील करेक्ट सो अगर आप अपने ग्रुप के साथ किसी रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं एंड यू सिंपली ऑर्डर अ सूप वाइल दे ऑल ऑर्डर अ 5 कोर्स मील अब आपका तो सूप में पेट भर गया एंड यू डोंट वांट टू ईट एनीथिंग मोर. But when the bill arrives, everyone decides to chip in an equal amount. And the measly bowl of soup that you had is now costing you 3,000 rupees without even really having eaten anything. Unfair लगता है ना ये कि इतने पैसे देने पड़े for a soup? I'm sure this has happened with you because it has happened with me many times. And because I couldn't confront, मैं पूरी amount दे देती थी. 2-3 बार किया until I finally didn't feel comfortable hanging out with them anymore. So I stopped going altogether. Now if you ask me today, I feel कि गलती तो मेरी ही थी, उनकी नहीं, क्योंकि उनको तो पता भी नहीं था that why I stopped hanging out with them. And वो बुरे नहीं थे, वो greedy भी नहीं थे. They just didn't know that I was having a hard time paying that much money every time. क्योंकि मैंने उनको कभी बताया ही नहीं. So let's talk about this. How to avoid this situation and emerge dignified too. Next time you are in this situation, simply speak up. Hey guys, I know we are all chipping in, but in all honesty, all I had was a soup. If you guys don't mind, I would like to pay only for my share of the soup. So if your friends are gracious, तो वो ये बात समझ जाएंगे and wholeheartedly accept कर लेंगे because it is fair. If they get affected, try one more time before cutting them off. On some bad days, we may not even have enough money to pay for the food, and so we end up ordering the cheapest on the smallest item on the menu, only to have to pay a share in everyone else's fancy dishes. Guys, let's go Dutch. I don't think I've eaten enough to really be paying for the whole meal. You guys know that I don't drink, so I don't think that I should pay for the alcohol. Can we just split the food bill instead and you guys figure out the alcohol amongst yourself? ये कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो आप कह सकते हैं to make your point. Do you have any more suggestions? Or if you have been through a similar situation like this, please don't forget to write us in the comments and we'll love to know. Till then, bye-bye.